Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing really good. Yesterday Jack and I moved into our first home, which is just amazing. So I actually wanted to document it, but I was in such a rush. I thought I need to go to Asda, and then I thought I was going to come back here and then go and grab my camera, but I didn't. I was in too much. I was too excited, so I just went straight there, and we just ended up spending the whole day there cleaning things, and just like a couple of people came round just to view it and things like that, so just family and stuff. So yeah, today is when we start all the renovations of it. Really there's no huge jobs. It's a lot of it's just decorating, which is quite good actually. So I will be painting today. Jack is going to change the worktops today and just wee things, so I'm going to take you along with me, show you how it looks just now, and then see how it looks afterwards. We're just going to take you along the journey, you know. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. First of all, we are going to B&M just for like wee things that we realised we didn't have. We don't have like anything. We literally have, I'm going to be bringing my bed, which is this bed, and like a few things from this room. Once it's all been painted and things, there's no point in putting this bed in and then having to paint around it and things like that. So, and we might need to recarpet some areas as well. So yeah, we have a lot to get and a lot to go through, so we will take you along with. See you at B&M. So I'm just back from B&M. We just got some like essential things like glasses, like bathroom stuff, cutlery organisers, all the wee things that you don't really think about but really you do need. So yeah, done that. I'm just gonna head to the house just now and I will show you around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're in. Oh my. What's going on in here? New worktops. I got us this stuff. Yeah. These were the old worktops. We're already started renovations on day one. There's the garden. So this is the room that I'm just about to start in. My job is to paint. Put 2 base layers on, and then Jack's dad is actually a painter, so he's going to come in and just tidy it all up. So this is the room. It's like, it is very orange. All the walls in this house are super colourful. I'm going to tackle this. I have never painted a wall in my life myself, so this will be interesting. I'm hoping all will be fine. We're going to start with a wee small section here first. So to go around the edges and then fill in the big space after that. So we'll see how this goes. I'm quite nervous. I don't want like too much on the... Okay. So we're now moving on to our last wall of room 1. Kind of got a salmon colour. Mum, Dad, Jessica all helping. We will go check on Jack, see how he's doing in here. Very messy floor now. Coming in for updates. It looks a lot crisper, cleaner, a lot better now with these new worktops. So we've got this worktop, which is like a grey oak. Compared to this one, it's like a green emerald type, and then we're just gonna properly plaster this and then paint it, aren't we? Yeah. New sink in there as well, so all going well. Also need to paint this room. So we have 1 coat on this full room now, and that's just finishing that wee bit off there. It's quite dark in here. But yeah, we're covered in paint, if you can see that. So we're gonna go for a coffee break. Coffee break, coffee break, coffee break. Coffee break, coffee break. Coffee break. Fitness and health. Fitness and health. Is Mum? Did Mum come and make coffee?
She's in making it now.
Alright.
Coffee in the corner.
With a broken smile, asked your shoes to stay. So through there we have all 2 coats on, and we're going to do a third one just quickly with the roller, just to kind of just coat it all over, finish it basically. Before Jack's dad's a painter, so he's going to come and finish it up with like another kind of colour. I'm not sure on what that will be yet. But just to make it look more homely. Then I've just moved on to the hallway here. It's totally green, so that's gotta go. We're gonna make that all white, so I've just started just now, and my dad came back. He's gonna help me again, and Jack is just finishing. So Jack's finished in here. These are our worktops we've got in. So it's looking really good. Let me just see here. Yeah, so brand new worktops. We will be getting that plastered and then painted white, I think, probably. So yeah, it's looking good just now. Obviously everything's a mess at the moment, so just ignore that. And we've finished up in this hall for the first coat. Compared to the green it was, I think we've done pretty well. Looks super light now actually, which is really good. And that just goes up the stairs a wee bit. And then in here we have, this is 2 coats on, and yeah, we're gonna put the third coat on tomorrow morning, I think, just because there's a wee hint of orange in some places, and then it'll be ready for whatever's to go on it next. Might be a wee while till then though, so we're better just getting it all white to start off with. And then I think tomorrow's project, after we do these 2 rooms, we will strip this wallpaper and get painted in here as well. Good morning everyone, we're actually now on day 2 of renovations. It is Sunday today, and I will just show you how it looks this morning. Obviously you saw it last night, but it's good to see it in the daylight as well. So the worktops were all done yesterday. And you can see splashbacks have been taken away, so we're going to get the plaster in to do them. Just ignore my mess there, and this needs to be put away as well. But yeah, really happy with these. I don't think they were too expensive either, which is good. Then we just got card collection over there. Our green hallway is no longer super bright green, which is amazing. I'm so happy about that. Like it just looks a lot more brighter, wider, yeah, just a lot better. So we need to put, I think, another coat on this, or yeah, I think we'll just put one more coat on this. Then in here you can see that slight orange peachy tint. I'll move back a wee bit, it's focusing in. So that's with 2 coats on. We need to do the third one. I did start, but then we thought just at that wee bit there you can see different from over there. But we thought let's just do full coat on the hallway instead first, and then go back onto this morning just to let it dry fully. So it's just looking a lot bigger and more like homely, I feel. Yeah, so all is good. My mum cleaned out the bathroom yesterday, so that's looking nice, and it was already clean anyway, but just it's nice to just have our own wee clean at it, you know. And it just means if anyone's coming around to help, it's just looking a wee bit better. So the plan today is to get another coat on the hall, one more coat on the lounge, and I think Jack's gonna rip up this wallpaper behind us, and we'll see from where we'll go from there. So yeah, fun. There's not much fitness this week because we've been mental. We've been like this, see, painting all day. You are knackered. Like I was so knackered yesterday after doing painting all day. So it was a workout in itself. This morning I went for a little walk with Cooper and then done a quick like ab glute workout. It was literally like a couple of exercises and then that was it. So I didn't bother filming. It was just like something to just keep me going and move me, basically, get some movement in. So yeah. No workouts today, but hopefully this is kind of interesting for you. Workouts will start next week again and we'll get back on track. I've got some other news that isn't so great as well. And it's hence why I've not been working out as much this week. I've only done 3 workouts this week. And it's mainly been because, number 1, we've been super busy with the house. And number 2, we got the news that the wedding is going to be postponed until next year. So we held a date. I held a date just before I left work for May next year, just in case we did have to move it, because we knew it could be a possibility with everything going on. Obviously the wedding is supposed to be August 16th, so it's now changing to May next year, which is really sad, but you just have to think of the positives of it. So I kind of thought to myself, do you know what, I'm just going to take this week to just kind of chill out from the workouts, because I was doing the wedge shred and all that, and I just want to focus on the house. And Jack's the same, like we knew it was going to be a high possibility. We just hoped that it would all be okay by then, but it's not going to be. So I think it's just going to be a much better day and everyone's going to enjoy it more if it is next year and all of this is out of the way, virus wise. It's going to be a lot less stressful and things as well, and we've got more time to look forward to it, so, and more time to plan, make it the best day ever. So I just need to make sure I don't go off my dress because I've had it since last year, so I won't go off it. As soon as I try it on again, I'll be like in love. But you know that way you think, you see other dresses and you're like, oh, that looks so nice, I could totally do with that. But no, I've got the dress, so it can wait till May. Yeah, so we are going to focus on this house rather than the wedding, and I'm going to get back to my workout schedule, maybe create something new. I think I will continue to go on a cut though, because that is something I still want to do, even though the wedding isn't going ahead. It just won't be a wedge shred, that's all. So yeah, that's all what's happening in Jack and I's life. He's not here at the moment. He is doing other jobs just now because he is very hard working. He's just, I don't know how he does it, but he does it. So yeah, he's going to see jobs just now. It is a Sunday. He's been seeing 2 jobs already, finished them off, and then he's heading here to strip off this wallpaper. So I will see you in a bit. Okay, so little update. We have put the first coat on this room, which is the dining room, and the wallpaper is off. It just needs sanded down. So we'll wait, probably that won't be till next week, I don't think. So Jessica's just finishing that off. We've added to our card collection. Then through here, this has had another coat on it. So Dad helped us with that. Like so that's looking much better. Again, we will be going over this one more time with the roller in a wee bit. And you've seen this room already. So yeah, that's just drying right now. Everything's coming along quite well. Jack is starting upstairs. He's taking the facings off upstairs. So you know that? Skirtings and facings, so these are coming off. And of course, Natalie and Kieran got us this lovely little plant for indoors, which I'm so happy about because we were actually looking for something exactly like this. So perfect. That's actually going to go downstairs in the living room when that is done. I don't have a wash tan and all that. I didn't want to get my ring or anything dirty, but you can actually see where the sun's got to. That is our updates for now, and I will tune in with you later. Fun. Alright, so I am quite tired now. I don't even know what time it is. It's 10 to 9. and we have done a second coat on this room, again leaving out the mustard that needs still sanded and things. So this is looking so much brighter now. All the pink's pretty much away. That wee bit still needs a wee second coat on it, but other than that, we are almost there. I think we'll do one more coat on this tomorrow or the next day. This hall has had 3 coats and it is pretty white, as you can see. Oh, let it focus. Yeah, so this is pretty white, which is amazing. The floor is an absolute mess, so I'm actually just about to start cleaning all that. I've got the hoover out in here. Jack's done quite a bit up here. Oh my. Let's see. Oh my goodness, where's all that come from?
Just milk it out quite a bit. I take it.
Oh my. Yeah, may as well. That'll give us more. What's that? Grey bit?
It's an old water tank. I'm just going to get rid of that. That's why they built the wall.
Yes. So the plans for this room is that this will be our master bedroom, and we're going to do an ensuite in there, and then push that wall back by the sounds of it. So yeah. So that is pretty much everything that's going on in Jack and I's life at the moment, which is quite a lot. Moving in is definitely a lot, but so worth it. So tomorrow is Monday, so I'm going to be getting back to fitness and my nutrition and everything, because that's just gone out the window this weekend. But life happens and it's fine. So yeah, I will come up with another fitness-based video for you next week. Yeah. But I think this is quite fun to do, so I'm going to just keep you updated and let you know how things go, what we do with the place. I look a mess, but gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this video and like this type of video with the home renovations, then please let me know in the comments below. And also give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more fitness and home renovations with Rebecca. Anyway, that was sounded so bad, but let's go with it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!